Sometimes in extreme wet environments, the only place to find dry wood is inside of a standing dead tree. The inside of the tree stays protected from the elements by the bark. We just have to get at it. So let's go find some. When you find a piece of standing dead wood that you're going to cut, for example, this small dead tree, what we're looking for in something that we can use to split, what we want is something that's clear. So from here to here, each one of these nodes where the branches actually come out, these branch areas, they create knots inside the wood. So from here to here is relatively clear. So the piece that I'm going to split, I'm going to cut the tree off right here, and then I will cut it off again right there, and I'll be able to split in the middle. So what I'm going to demonstrate here is how to use a baton and a solid shank knife to get at the dry wood inside of some standing dead that I've already cut. Now that I've split, you can see on the inside all of this area in here. Now that I've split it once, I could split it again. And again, and again, and again, until I get that wood just as small as I need it to be.
This is another teaching tip for instructors. I will teach batoning to my high school students. Now I want to show you the technique I use just to keep everybody safe, and you can employ this with your own students as well. The big danger, obviously, when we're working with a knife anywhere around our crotch area is hitting a femoral artery and bleeding out. So I tell my students to stop me immediately if they do not see a tourniquet laying right next to me when I am teaching them. So keep a tourniquet right next to you when you're teaching students how to baton, especially first-time students. The other thing I'll do is I'll have a tourniquet next to me. The other thing I'll do is I want you to imagine a fictitious student here, but what I'll do is I'll have my high school students literally kneel right next to me when they're batoning. I will make the student take the knife out away from them, still having a good steady control of the knife, but having it away from them so that it's safe. The other thing I will do is if I see anything that looks unsafe from the student, I will quickly grab their hand. Now I'm not going to grab the knife hand per se, right at the blade obviously, but I'll grab them back here just to stop them anywhere in the process if I think they're being unsafe. Very rarely have I had to do it, so just don't be afraid to take control of the situation immediately if you see something unsafe.